Okay, so this is our yard. You can see the whole yard. So the different stocks are here. So if you need, you find any of our regional directors. We have directors from all regions in those areas I mentioned. We have from the Middle East, we have from Iran, we have from Jordan, we have from UAE, we have from Bahrain, we have from Nigeria, we have from Congo, we have from Tunisia, also from Morocco too. Yeah. So if you need, you can find any of our group members. We can discuss. So the price of this one you see here is around 1.6 million Chinese currency. Okay.